balanced breathing. So our nervous system is normally not balanced. We're usually in stress mode. We've got our adrenaline running, we're stressed out, we've got our cortisol building up in our adrenaline to get stuff done, right? But to be efficient, we need balance. And when we're all stressed out, we can get burned out. So we need a way of balancing our nervous system. The breath is directly connected to our nervous system. So how does that work? If we increase our breathing, our heart rate increases. If we slow our exhale down, our heart slows down. Heart-coherent breathing. So right now we're probably breathing anywhere between 8 and 15, maybe even higher. You may be hyperventilating in more than 15 breaths a minute. So we want to slow that down, okay? We want it to be more like 6 to 8. And the way we do that is we slow our inhale and we slow our exhale. We take long, slow, deep breaths. And that's a 5-count breath. So it's a 5-count inhale and a 5-count exhale. And a count is a second. So it looks like inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. And we can count those out. In 30 cycles, that was a cycle, this is one cycle. Inhale. Exhale. That's one breath cycle. An inhale, pause, exhale, pause, right? So that's one cycle. 30 cycles makes 5 minutes, okay? So what happens if we do this for 5 minutes? Our heart rate is normally like this when we're breathing like this. It turns into a sine wave. Inhale. Exhale, and the heartbeat turns into a sine wave that matches that breath. Heart-coherent breathing, balanced breathing. It also balances our nervous system. So if our nervous system is up high, our adrenaline's running, cortisol's pumping, we're going. This is like putting on the brakes and slowing us down. And we just kind of coast right here in the balance. If we're going too slow, we've got that brake locked down. We're over in the parasympathetic side too much. And this type of breathing will bring us back to balance, back to center. So we're just driving our car, obeying the speed limit. We're not speeding. We're not slowing down in the slow lane. We're just coasting. And we want to be balanced and just in the zone. And that's what balanced breathing does for us.